Hello, today I am doing a review for this Book Nook from Amazon. This was sent to me free of charge in order to do a review. And this Book Nook is called Secret World of the Forest. Now, I think this is a new one because I've never seen this one before. I could be wrong. But it says that it's got 243 parts. The difficulty is a 5. And then it tells you what your materials are and all that stuff. So, we are going to just open this up and look at it. Okay, so when you open it up, this is what you're going to see for the most part. So it looks like we have got a plastic piece. Sorry. Looks like we've got a plastic piece. Now this is going to have a protective cover on both sides that you're just going to peel off. It's just a little piece of plastic. It has got this little sheet here. I don't know what you would call this material, but and then here is your lights, the box where your batteries are going to go, and then your components for your lights. We've got a pair of bent tweezers. There's your instruction book, and then comes with a little nail file so that you can sorry about that, so that you can file off any splintery pieces, because you know this is made out of wood, so that way you don't get a splinter. Plus sometimes when you pop these out of their little plastic, they're wooden, if you pop these out, they have like little nubs on them. If you don't file those down to where it's smooth, sometimes they won't fit right. So these are the pieces that you're going to work with. And it looks really nice, honestly. The colors are really bright and bold. Everything is very clear to where you know exactly what piece is what. Do not, when you first get a miniature, do not take and just start snapping all these pieces out, because if you do, you're gonna be crying. You're not gonna know what to do. Because each of these boards are going to be labeled with either a number or a letter, and then that's how, when you go into your book, that's how you're going to know what piece you're going to need to complete an area. But here is your instruction manual. So this is going to show you what it comes with. And that piece there that I did not know what that is, it's called a grease-proof paper. So, okay. So this is going to show you all the boards. This is going to be your first step. So step 1, you're going to find board A and board C15. You're going to glue them together. And then that's what it's going to look like. So this is why I say don't snap all your pieces out, because you would have no idea what C15 is unless you go through every single piece and just try to look at it by the picture, which I guess you can do, but it's going to make it harder and it's going to take up time. So that's how you do it. You just go step 1, you do what it says. You got step 2. Not all of it is going to have words. Looks like it's all going to be picture instructions, unless it has like this here. So they might have something written like this, you know, to cut and paste. Some people understand better with the pictures, some understand better with the words. I do think you can go to either their store or to the product page on Amazon, and you might be able to find a section to where you can download a PDF of the instructions, but I mean, I'm not 100% sure. It might even say that in here somewhere. I don't know. So anyway, it looks like you're gonna have to come up with 2 AAA batteries and glue, but everything else is here for you. So again, we're going to look at the print on these. Nothing is blurred, smeared, or dull. Everything looks really, really good, actually. Again, the colors are very bold and everything's printed well. You can see where it has the board number. So these pieces that are printed on both sides will be pieces that you'll be able to see from, you know, inside and outside of the Book Nook. But yeah, they're very pretty, and it looks like everything is cut all the way through to where you're not struggling trying to pop out the pieces. So, and then there's going to be a side, or that might be the back, I don't know. But that's the name of this kit. Look at that. Little fairies, a deer. Very pretty. Really pretty. Oh, wow. That's going to be your side. And this is going to be a side. Yep. So this is really pretty. Really pretty. So, yeah. I mean, it's got everything you need except for 3 batteries and glue. And those are not that expensive. Not many of these miniatures or Book Nooks or anything that some will come with glue, but it's got something to do with the way that they are shipped. They can't have glue or batteries. That's why your kits don't have it with them. So anyway, there is the Book Nook of Secret World of the Forest. And I will leave a link in my description box so that y'all can go check it out. Again, there are different Book Nooks to choose from. I think this is just their newest. So, alright, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I appreciate you watching.